Hunter at Sunrise, acoustic, eclectic music for your Sunday morning, streaming at hunteratsunrise.com, whrb.org, allradio.org, iTunes, Shoutcast, and Radio Time. We're on your digital radio at 89.5 WHRV HD2 Alt Radio. You know we like to do acoustic sessions on this show, and today we're on the road at the North Shore Point House Concert Series here in Norfolk, and we're going to have an acoustic session here in a moment. Brought to you with support from Carol Butler of Pembroke Title. Pembroke Title, your real estate resource handling your home purchase or refinance needs. And joining us here today are Birds of Chicago. How are you guys today?
Hello, we are very well. Thanks for having us on your show.
Well, thanks for being on the show. And we're going to get to talking here in a minute. What would you like to play for us first here?
We're going to play a new one. And it's one that JT just recently wrote. It's called Super Lover.
Excellent. Here are Birds of Chicago here on Hunter at Sunrise.
Tears of rage, tears of grief from Inglewood to Nairobi. We need a super love. Need a super love. Double Dutch and hula hoops. Our life is in loops and loops. We need a super love. Need a super lover. The night so cold. Who among us dreams the dawn? Who could count the flowers in your heart? Lord, let me die for my child. Pray every mother far away. That's a super love. I'm a super love. You can feel it near and far. It fades the moon and blinds the stars. That's a super love. Are you a super lover? Oh, the night so cold. Who among us dreams the dawn? Who could count the flowers in your heart? Believe what you will, believe they're gonna tell you it's naive to be a super lover. Are you a super lover? There's no God of fire and blood. If there's a God, then God is love. We need a super lover. We need a super lover. Oh, the night so cold. Who among us dreams the dawn? Who could count the flowers in your heart? Tears of rage, tears of grief from Inglewood to Nairobi. We need a super love. Need a super